How to add flanger in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this FX button. Simply tap on this FX button. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes in the FX. So here you must be in this section. Now on the top, there's a drop down button. Tap on this drop down button and here select flanger. So flanger is a type of audio or is a type of effect that can be used in the music. So after selecting it, you can simply go back and it's all set. Now here you can add it easily in two different beats and two different music. So you can even use mixture and later customize it according to your will. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.